Normally I join my soaps when I'm taking a bath because they are soft enough and they can merge together as easily. But if you're not taking a bath and you want to merge your soaps, you can soak them in a bowl of water. Let them sit for 5 minutes so that the top part and the bottom part of the soap that you want to merge has softened. And then all you do now is place the small soap on top of the other and rub them against each other, so that, as you can see, the part that is soaked becomes the glue that merges the soaps together. So rub it until you find some resistance. It actually only takes a few seconds, like that. And then also you can collect these soap pieces and just add them to those cracks so that they are filled completely. Remember, this loose soap is your glue. And after you've done that, you are going to place your soap on a dry surface like that and let it sit. Remember, don't store your soap or don't dry your soap in the sun, otherwise it will crack. So preferably, as I say, I normally use it, I normally join them while I'm taking a shower or when I'm cleaning, so that the next time that I'm using the soap is the next day. So let it sit in the shade until the next time you use it. And that's it. So my hope is that you've learned something about extending the life of your bath soap, or even your cleaning bar, or your shampoo bar, whichever. And you'll notice in the process that you're not buying as many new bars as you were before. If you've not subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next video. Remember to click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any other video that I post. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye bye.